Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC. And while you're there, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. We are out here finishing up our project in Topeka, Kansas. So this project, we had two main scopes of work. We had 12 King Pier 2s that we installed pretty much around all sides of the house, including 2 under the footing of the new cinder block wall that we finished up on Friday. So everything looks much nicer now. There's no need for those wall braces that were used to hold the old cinder block wall, and you can see them over there in the corner. Everything's perfectly vertical, it's level, and that's exactly what we want. We've already started sealing the perimeter where the wall and the floor meet with NP 150 polyurethane. We've also used a combination of epoxy and polyurethane to seal the cracks on the foundation walls. So everything is looking to try to get finished up. Just to work with the homeowners here, they had wanted to see if it was possible to try to push this wall, at least in the middle, back to vertical. So that's what we're going to be working on next. Should be able to finish that up today, and then tomorrow we will be finishing up getting the perimeter sealed with polyurethane. And then on the back side of the cinder block wall, if you remember, we had to saw cut part of the existing concrete patio and excavate down just to be able to have enough room to seal the outside of the wall, which we have done. That's finished now. So tomorrow morning we will likely come back in here, backfill on the exterior side of this wall, get everything nice and compacted, and then either Tuesday afternoon or Wednesday morning we will pour the last little bit of concrete to replace that originally cut section of the patio. And then again in here we will finish up getting everything sealed along the perimeter. We'll try to get everywhere we can inside the basement. So we are very close. Should just have a couple more days out here in Topeka. The footing is now at its correct level elevation. This wall is now fully repaired. So the rest of this week is mostly just tidying up and cleaning up on the outside. So for all your foundation and pairing needs, please don't ever hesitate to give us a call. You can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always check us out on YouTube and Facebook. Just search for King Piers LLC. And again, while you're there, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. Thank you.